Welcome to this video tutorial on how to make pencil pleat curtains. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of making a beautiful set of pencil pleat curtains. We'll start by introducing you to the simple tools you'll need to get started with this project. You'll need a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, a sewing machine, some fabric, and a few other items such as pins, thread, and a seam ripper. After that, we'll demonstrate how to measure and cut the fabric. We'll go over the different types of pleats and how to achieve the perfect pleat for your curtains. Finally, we'll show you how to hem the edges of your curtains and attach the curtains to a curtain rod. We'll also highlight the benefits of using pencil pleat curtains and why they have become popular in many homes. From their classic design to their versatility and different types of windows, you'll learn why these curtains are an excellent option for any home. Plus, you'll discover easy ways to customize your curtains to match your home's decor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a set of pencil pleat curtains that look like they were professionally made. So let's get started. Step 1. Measure the window for the size you need. The first step to making pencil pleat curtains is to measure the window. You need to measure the exact width of the window and then decide how wide you want the curtains to be. If you want them to hang at the sides of the window, you need to add extra width to your measurements. You also need to measure the window's drop, the distance from the top of the window to the floor. Once you have your measurements, you can decide on the size of the curtains and the number of pleats you want. Step 2. Cut the fabric to the required size. The second step in making pencil pleat curtains is to cut the fabric. Measure the desired length of the curtains and then add extra to the length to allow for hemming. Cut the fabric along the desired length and iron it to remove any creases. Once the fabric is cut, it is ready to be hemmed and pleated. Step 3. Sew the top and bottom hems of the fabric. To sew the top and bottom hems of the fabric, use a sewing machine with a straight stitch setting. Start at the top edge of the fabric, and sew a line of stitches approximately 1/2 from the top edge of the fabric. Repeat this step at the bottom edge of the fabric. Make sure that the stitch line is even and straight. If desired, you can reinforce the stitching with additional lines of stitches 1/4 away from the original stitching. Trim away any excess fabric or threads. Calculate the gap between the pleats and mark the fabric. Sew the pleats in place following the markings. Step 4. Hem the sides of the fabric. For the fourth step in making pencil pleat curtains, it is essential to hem the sides of the fabric. To do this, measure the width of the fabric and mark the required hem width on both sides of the fabric. Then, fold the fabric over twice and pin the sides in place. Finally, sew along the pinned line to create a neat hem on each side. Step 5. Attach the curtain tape to the top of the fabric. The fifth step in making a pencil pleat curtain is to attach the curtain tape to the top of the fabric. First, measure the width of the fabric and cut the curtain tape to the appropriate length. Then, position the curtain tape on the back of the fabric, ensuring to align the top edge of the tape as with the top edge of the fabric. Use pins to secure the tape, then sew along the top edge of the curtain tape using a sewing machine. Finally, press the seam open with an iron. Sew the tape onto the fabric, following the pleats. Step 6. Hang the curtains on the rod and adjust the pleats. To hang the curtains on the rod and adjust the pleats, start by inserting the curtain rod into the back of the curtain heading tape. Make sure the rod is securely in place. Then take the curtains and hang them on the rod. Adjust the pleats as needed so that they are even and symmetrical. Finally, use drapery hooks to secure the pleats in place. If you need to adjust the curtain's length, you can add or remove rings at the back. I hope this video has helped show you how to make your pencil pleat curtains. With a bit of effort and suitable materials, now you can enjoy the beautiful curtains of your design. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting. If you have any questions about making pencil pleat curtains, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great DIY curtains tutorials. Until next time, goodbye.